Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. We have a good looking truck here in front of us. Today we're going to look at a 2021 Ram 2500 Laramie. It is a turbo diesel Cummins. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around, show some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. As I pan right below that, you'll see that it also comes with running LED fog lights. Right there, you'll also see that it is going to come with sensors here in the front, so you don't ever have to worry about hitting something. You'll also take notice of that black grille insert along with the beautiful chrome trim guarding that, as well as that beautiful chrome Ram logo here in the front. And then finally here, you'll also take notice that there are these beautiful black powder-coated tow hooks. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now there are a couple of things to note on the exterior as well while we're over here. Here on the back of your mirrors, you will have the flip-up tow mirrors, and then they do also have a integrated turn signal indicator on the back. And then if we take a look here in the front, you'll see it'll be that beautiful two-part mirror, so you'll be able to see much more than the typical person. And they are heated as well, so don't ever worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. Here on your door handles, as long as that key is in your pocket and you press that button, it'll lock and unlock. And then not to mention the running boards for your added convenience of getting in and out of the vehicle. While we're over here, let's go ahead and show you guys this beautiful interior as well. As you can see, this is going to come with a beautiful premium black cloth, leather interior with some of this beautiful cloth trim here in the bottom. Not to mention, it is going to have that beautiful almost white, off-white look stitching that is all across here, as well as the beautiful Laramie logo there in the front. Now as we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that beautiful black dash finish with this chrome lining here along your air vents. Not to mention, this is a two-part glove box over here. As you can see, it does open up here in the top. And while we're over here, let's go ahead and drop this bottom glove box and grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Ram 2500, your tire depths for the left and right front will be 6 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 12 and 32 seconds. And as you can see down there, both your brakes are going to be 17 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, as you can see, that beautiful interior is going to stay consistent back here as well, with those cloth trim pieces running through the bottom and top here, staying consistent as well. There is a couple of things to be noted back here. First and foremost, as you can see, there is plenty of room back here to haul passengers. I'm going to go ahead and hop up in here for you guys. Now, I am about 6'2.5" or so, and I am comfortably sitting in this vehicle. I even have some room to stretch my legs out. Moving forward though, here between your driver and passenger seat, you will have your own individual air vents, as well as 2 USB-C, 2 USB ports, and a 400-watt outlet down there as well. And if we pan right back, you will see that beautiful typical 2 cup holders here in between the middle seat back here. And then if you actually pull down this little strap that is sitting in between the middle seat, you will have a pull down center console with 2 more cup holders as well. Coming around here to the rear, this vehicle is going to come equipped with a couple of things back here as well. A hitch and receiver for all of your hauling needs. Not to mention, like I said earlier, this is a 2500 turbo diesel, so you will have all the towing capacity that you could ever think of. Not to mention, you don't ever have to worry about backing up in anything because you do have your parking sensors back here, as well as your backup camera. While we're back here, let's go ahead and drop this tailgate for you guys too. And as you can see, it is that easy lift, easy lower tailgate. And as you can see, there is no bed liner in this. However, it is a very well-maintained bed. There are no marks, no scratches, no marks, no dings on this. You will see your typical hooks back here for strapping things down. And as you can see there on the side as well, you will have a max 400-watt outlet there on the side as well. Moving forward to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. Just listen to this sound. It never gets old. It never gets old. You'll see a nice little start up here on your middle and driver display there as well. You also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 9,000 miles on it. Very low mileage, extremely low mileage. Now I am going to start talking louder, obviously, because the engine is running and you can hear that beautiful turbo in there. However, moving forward, let's go ahead and show you guys some more of this interior. Here to the left side of your steering wheel, down below, you will have your all of your headlight adjustments down here, as well as your automatic headlights option. You will also have the option to change the brightness to your middle and driver display. If you look down below, there is a cargo button, as well as your parking brake is here on the left side as well. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be your windshield wiper adjustments, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your beautiful shifter knob. The left side is going to be your middle display, as well as your touch to talk options. And on the right side, you're going to have your cruise control up top and your gear shifter down below. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have that large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, as you can see there on the left side. It is Bluetooth ready, and you will have that beautiful backup camera, as I mentioned previously. Now, if you don't want to use the touchscreen display, you are going to have some manual options down here below as well. I will like to mention, though, this touchscreen display does also have the option to control all of your climate control. So not only is it at the touch of your fingertips right here, you can also use your touchscreen display to manage all those as well. Now, these front two seats are heated, and your steering wheel is heated as well. That is a bonus feature. Right below all that, you will have the options for your parking sensors in the front and rear, your tow and haul mode, as well as your integrated trailer brake. And then here to the left, you will have some different options for your four-wheel drive high, your two-wheel drive, and your four-wheel drive low, as well as your neutral. Moving back up top, above that large touchscreen display, you are going to have a small storage compartment up top with a 12-volt plug-in. And then down below, below your controls there, you will have an auxiliary line in, 2 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports. And then on the right side, you are going to have a 400-watt outlet as well. Now, as you see there is a slight button right here. So if I go ahead and press that, this little storage compartment will pop out. And then there is a coin holder here in the front as well. Now, as you can see, there are going to be some more storage compartments down here below. And then coming back here, you are going to have 3 cup holders up front here, as well as a large center console. And now in this center console, you are going to have another USB port there, as well as more coin holders. And I'm actually going to go ahead and lift this seat up real quick, and then I'm going to show you guys. So there is a lever down here as well to lift the bottom of this seat up. That does allow for more storage, and then your seat belt is actually hidden down in here as well. Now, to end off the interior features of this vehicle, let's take a look up top. You will have the option to connect this to your home garage, allowing the opening and closing from the touch of a button. And as we come over here into the middle, up front, you will have a sunglass holder. You have lighting options for both your driver and passenger. And you'll also have the option to open and close your rear window. Now, taking a look underneath the hood, you are going to find that beautiful 6.7 liter i6F OHV 24V engine, Cummins turbo diesel engine. You also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have just a few, and I mean a few, of small typical stone chips. Like I said in every other video, being a used vehicle, it is going to have these no matter what, unless it is garage kept. However, this is very clean here in the front end. I can only see about 1 or 2, to be honest with you guys. As you can see, there is a slight one there. Other than that, you are going to have just a couple of them up here, as you can see. But that is only very close. I mean, you can't tell a difference. This front end is in beautiful condition, as well as the entire body of this vehicle. There is not a scratch mark, dent, or ding on this entire thing. As well as these tires. These tires are in great condition as well. As you can see, no curb rash on that rim. Running boards, once again, great condition. No any discoloration, no marks, no scratches, nothing. This vehicle is in impeccable condition. Being a 2021, it is fairly new, and with less than 10,000 miles, only about 9,000 miles on it total. You don't even have your typical trunk scratches back here along the bottom. You are going to have a couple of your typical tailgate scratches. However, other than that, they are very few, very minor, as you can see there. And then the bed, once again, the bed doesn't even have a bed liner in it. And it's in such good condition, I don't even really need to show you guys much more than this. As we come back down here along this driver's side of the body, once again, this vehicle is in impeccable condition. These rims, all of them are in great condition. There is no curb rash on any of them. There are hardly any scratches. You are gonna have just a couple of small imperfections here running along this flare. Other than that, this is an extremely clean 2021, and there's not much else to point out on it. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2021 Ram 2500 Laramie. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to turn push notifications on too. Have a good day, guys.